failed.
These are a constant reminder of my shame. A shame I can never escape. Yours are a reminder too, of a shame of your own.
You don't know me.
You know, you can tell me. I understand. I'm the only one who can.
I'm nothing like you.
Denial. I get it. I was once there too. I'll be here when you're done pretending. Until next time.
I wanted to set you free.
You did. You gave me my soul back. And now, I give it to you.
We broke into a million pieces and we